So today in this video, I'll show you to create amazing animated 3D kid stories just like these.
One day, the squirrel family knocked over a jar of magic sprinkles and the treats went silent. Emma and Benny raced through the forest.
And also you guys, if you're willing to create one of those without spending any money and earn lots of dollars, so good news, I'll show you the complete process by using all free AI tools. So yeah, without wasting any time, you guys, let's just straight away jump right into the video. Alright guys, so the first step to create animated 3D stories is that you have to create your visuals, right? So yeah, for that, you can go ahead and follow two methods. First method is you can go ahead and take your prompts and create your visuals with the help of text to video generation, or you can follow the second method, which according to me is the best one, which is like first you can go ahead and create your images with the help of text to image generation, and then further on create visuals out of that with the help of image to video generation, right? And according to me, you guys, the second method is the best because with the help of text to image, you will be able to get perfect visuals, like consistent character visuals. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and follow the second method. So for that, first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and generate images. But before that, we need to go ahead and get our prompts for text to image generation, right? So yeah, for that, I'm gonna go ahead and use ChatGPT. So with the help of ChatGPT, I've taken everything from scratch. So I've said, so I want to create 3D animated stories with the help of AI tools. Suggest me some cartoonish 3D animated story ideas. So ChatGPT provides me a whole lot of 3D animated story ideas. And in that, I really love the Bunny Bakery Adventure one. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and select that and say to ChatGPT once again that I really love this one. So now with the help of this, create me prompts to create AI text to image generation so that I can use them to create images, right? So yeah, ChatGPT is going to provide me with a series of AI prompts that I can go ahead and use that for creating text to image generation, you guys, right? But mind you guys, if you want to go ahead and create the consistent character images, like, you can see all of these images are looking very much alike. The style, the characters are very much similar in all of these images, right? So for that, you need to make sure like every prompt should start with the same words, right? You can see my all prompts are starting from 3D animated character, 3D animated character of 3D animated scene. So yeah, with the help of these things, especially in Krea AI, you'll be able to generate amazing, consistent character and consistent style images, you guys, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these prompts one by one, jump into Krea AI, and with the help of that, you can go ahead and create all these amazing visuals. So yeah, I have generated like 8 set of images right over here. So from here, I'm gonna go ahead and download my favorite ones. All right, so once I've downloaded all of my images right over here, so our next step is we need to go ahead and convert all of these images into videos, right? So for that, we're gonna go ahead and use image to video generation of Hailuo AI, you guys, right? So yeah, as you guys know, Hailuo AI is one of my best AI video generator tools. So in Hailuo AI, I'm gonna go to this create section, go to this image to video section, and from here, first of all, you need to make sure you select the latest model of Hailuo AI, which is 12v01. So this will go ahead and provide good motions to your animations. And from here, one by one, I'm going to go ahead and input my image right over here. And in the prompt section, you just need to go ahead and copy the prompt of your same text to image generation that you created with ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste it right over here and create it one by one, you guys, right? So yeah, this Hailuo AI, I'm also using it for free, you guys can see. So yeah, if you're gonna go ahead and sign up in this with a fresh account too, so you'll get some free credits and free trial, which with the help of that, you'll be able to generate lots of generations, you guys, right? So yeah, you guys can see as all of my generations are completed. So from here, I'm gonna go ahead and simply download this one by one. Alright guys, so once all of my videos are downloaded, so what is our next step? So our third step is we need to go ahead and create a story out of this AI animated scenes, you guys. Right? So for that, we're gonna go ahead and jump to ChatGPT once again, and I basically type in my prompt, like also provide me with a script of the story with the help of prompts so that I can generate text to speech, right? So yeah, you guys can see ChatGPT has provided me the whole story. You can obviously go ahead and provide the prompt like short story script maybe of 40 to 50 seconds, because obviously I want to go ahead and create a small story for the demo. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this from here. And for text to speech, we're gonna go ahead and use the best AI text to speech tool, which is 11 Labs, you guys, right? So over here, we're gonna go ahead and jump to this voice section of 11 Labs and go to library, select any good voice that suits best for your AI text to speech for your 3D animated stories, you guys, right? So from here, I'm gonna go ahead and select narrative and story. And over here, you guys can see you can go ahead and select any voice that suits the best for your animated story. So as you guys can see, I have selected this voice, Marshall Tune Corrector, which is basically, the voice of a tune corrector. So that will perfectly suit our animated 3D story. So this is the voice.
Ladies and gentlemen, explorers and adventurers,
So you guys can see this is a very expressive voice and it will perfectly suit our animated 3D story. So from here, I'm going to simply paste my story right over here, click on generate speech. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and download it. So yeah, you guys know our visuals are done. Our story script text to speech is done as well. So what will be our next step? So from here now, we have to go ahead and select any background music for our animated 3D stories to make it more and more engaging, you guys, obviously. So for that, we're gonna go ahead and jump to Pixabay, the best tool for selecting any background music. And from here, I'm gonna simply select this first one. So yeah, this is a very interesting, funny comedy, quirky cartoon background music. I'm gonna download it from here. And mind you guys, Pixabay is basically a royalty-free music, which means you can go ahead and use your music for even your monetization purposes as well. So yeah, from here, all of the steps are completed. So what we have to do next, we have to simply edit everything together, compile everything together, and just create our last output. So for that, I'm gonna use an editor, my favorite one, which is Filmora. So I'm going to go ahead and simply import all of my files right over here, drag it to the timeline one by one, as you guys can see, paste my 11 Labs text to speech, paste my funny comedy background music, and this is how my timeline is going to look like. So from here, I'm going to simply go ahead and export this after a little bit of editing. And now this is what the final output is going to look like.
Emma and Benny, the bunny, ran a magical bakery where cakes danced and cookies sang. One day, the squirrel family knocked over a jar of magic sprinkles and the treats went silent. Emma and Benny raced through the forest, leaping over glowing mushrooms and chasing the mischievous squirrels. Beneath a glowing flower, they found a stash of sparkling sprinkles. Back at the bakery, Emma tossed the sprinkles into the air. The treats came to life, dancing and singing once more. That night, the forest party was magical and joyful, all thanks to Emma, Benny, and their daring adventure.
So as you guys can see, this is how you can easily create funny, like animated 3D kid stories for your channel, and even go ahead and monetize that and earn lots of dollars with this easy, quick method. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. And if you like it, kindly do like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like that. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.